Setting up at the range down in Austin. Set up, get to the hotel, got some grub. Might meet up with a few folks. Might meet up with Ben's sister tonight for some dinner.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, today's day one. Day one of Austin, baby. You see this?
Oh.
This is called blue collar work right here.
Oh, I don't know about that one.
Something that y'all don't know about.
I don't know if you're blue collar though.
I'm the most blue collar, white collar guy you'll know. Gotta go beater season, bro.
Oh.
Hopefully the viewers don't get too crazy, you know.
We made it to the range, Kyle.
We here.
We set up right now.
Setting up right now. We live. Getting some things moved. It's about 11:30 a.m. We got a lot of day left for us.
So I thought it was like 3, bro.
Yeah, bro. You can time travel when you go to fit my entire life in these two, my entire company in these 2 suitcases here. That's all we need, bro.
We literally did.
Like I said, bro, I'm the most blue collar, white collar guy you know. Trials and tribulations don't matter. We're gonna make it happen regardless.
Almost done. Sign up. The boy Kyle.
We're close. We're close.
So close. How long has it been? Like 20 minutes?
20, 30 minutes.
It's not bad.
We're effective. We're efficient out here. I like it. Peace and quiet. Nobody's here. It's just me and the boy.
I like that.
That's the best way to do it. Nice and calm, man. We're the first ones here. The last one's out.
We copping for lunch today.
That's a good question, man. We're in downtown Austin, our hotel. Chat, let me know if you got any recommendations.
Yo, chat. Comment down below.
Comment down.
They said your hair looks like broccoli right now. I don't know why they keep cooking you, bro.
Bro.
Yo, now we're official.
Now we're fucking cooking.
Now we good, bro.
Part of the job. Fucking workout.
Hey. Ooh.
That's Esteban.
Dude, this is like actually like legit.
Oh, we about to get ripped.
What are we hitting tomorrow?
I'll be just buys. Back and buys. That's all I hit.
No, there's no legs.
The Louis V duffel from the boy Benny. Hey, chat, take a look at this view right now.
This might be the
Best view I've ever seen in my life.
Yo, we're in Miami, you just can't see it.
Yeah, we're in Miami, y'all just can't see it, man.
Where are we off to, Kyle?
You gotta go to Space Cowboy, my boy.
Hey, fit check.
Let me take that. Look at this boy Ben.
100 heads.
Damn. Forgot to pack, but we're still looking fresh, you know what I'm saying? No, these fries are actually, they look so less out.
Now I'm nervous.
That's good. How was it? Good?
We about to hit the hay. That was a wrap with day 1, so we'll catch y'all tomorrow on day 2.
Alright, day 1 at the range here in Austin, Texas. Full arches, full auto. Dr. Juan Gonzalez, Simon O, all on X Masterclass. We're super excited. We got everything set up, ready to go. Powered in the booth, as always. Alright, we got a few key vendors here. We got SIN 360, we got Voxel, we got Campbell Surgical, Progressive Dental, and Power Dental Studio. But let's get ready to rock and roll. GG. Hey. Again. I just lost $10,000.
Damn, bro.
When we talk about who we are as a business, obviously we manufacture instrumentation. Instrumentation is not built the same, okay? And what I mean by that, right? You have somebody that maybe gets the instruments for you. But in my opinion, instrumentation should not be an afterthought. It should be at the forefront of your mind. One, the biggest issues that we have with instrumentation that I see commonly, it's so commoditized, right? You don't know where you're getting things from, right? It's that elevator is the same as it's been for the past 20 years. You have no conscious decision or understanding until someone like me comes around and says, look, there's a whole another layer to this that will allow you to be able to be more effective in your practice. So what up guys, I'm here with my boy Matt Dunn. He is the VP of Business Development at Progressive Dental.
We didn't bring on any other vendor from that entire course. DS World is a week long.
Yeah.
You know how big the trade show floor is. We walked that entire trade show floor and we visited with about 80% of the vendors there. And Jarrett was like, no, I want to go on and on Kyle. So we invited you to be at our course and we want to work with you permanently full time. And let me tell you something, our intentions were pure. We wanted to find a diamond in the rough that we felt was aligned with our mission and our vision and to help our doctors, and we did that. And to watch you grow and watch what you've been able to do in the short amount of time that we have been friends and connected has been nothing less than impressive, man. I'm so happy for you. I'm so proud of you for what you've done.
Full arches, full out of start.
That's crazy.
Holy moly. First off, how many are you gonna drink?
Hey, catch me in 5 or more.
Holy shit.
So I just drank 15 beers and just got back from the range. Good time, good day. Ready to rock and roll for the night. Gonna hit Perry's Steakhouse in a second, go to happy hour with the folk. But we'll see you out there, man. Look at this floor. Look at that floor.
Look at that floor.
Look at that floor, man. Like I said, bro, I only shoot my boys the best, man. Look at this right now. Only rolling the styles, bro. Only rolling the styles. Kia Soul, baby, come on.
Just put the fries in the bag, bro. Yo, Kyle, where we at, bro?
We ain't at the one and only Perry's Steakhouse, my boy. Ben's been hyping this place up, bro. So we're gonna see what it's all about.
We be nice tonight, bro.
Mr. Perry the Platypus. Let's go, first time Perry's. We're gonna see what the hype is about. Damn good steak.
Told you, bro.
It's good steak, bro. First bite. Everybody knows the rules.
Always best. Can't go on Perry's.
Can't go wrong with Perry's.
Honest keep light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are.
Look at what we got going on, man.
Like he's really out here worshiping Jesus.
Worship Jesus.
Night, dude. Like,
Literally, right before this, right before, believe it or not, Ben says, all I need is God, man. All I need is God. That's all I need, seriously.
I'm actually about to.
Not even capping, bro. And look at what we got. And then look at what we got. You can't tell me this guy ain't real, bro. Come on.
Like, damn, bro. Like, I'm dead ass like crying. Like, it's crazy. Cause like, I say that 1 second, like, all I need is God. Like, there's just a random dude on the street. There's a random dude. We're all random. And he's just praising God. It's like, how are you gonna tell me that's not real? Like, how are you gonna, like, that's just like puts the cherry on top.
Whether you believe in you don't believe in God, you believe in God, you believe in Allah, what else?
There's a higher power.
There's a higher power, bro, 110%, man. Blend it back down. We got a little upgrade to first class, which is nice. Good trip overall.
That was a pretty good trip.
Pretty good trip overall, man.
Really good.
So it's really good, super exciting, and it's only the beginning, man. So
We're gonna be in Dallas next week. And shit.
Dallas is next week.
And then
Oklahoma.
I think I'm gonna be going to Orlando, but I'm with Kyle.
I've signed up a new client. That's another story for another day. But shoot, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Let's go.